Hey, it's at the Rough Country. Polaris built its Xpedition ADV 1000 Ford Venture, and we built our roof rack for you to maximize its performance and personalize it for your outdoors and off-road experiences. It gives your vehicle an aggressive look and allows functional application for mounting points and carrying gear. Rooftop tents, kayaks, duffel bags, fishing rods, and accessory lighting can be utilized with this platform. The DNA of this rack is built with durable powder-coated steel, and it was designed to keep weight at a minimum. The slotted cross rails give you a wide variety of mounting applications. With no drilling required, this is a 100% bolt-on installation to the factory locations with all the necessary hardware included in the kit. You also have the option to configure this rack with a 40-inch forward-facing light bar. If adventure is on your radar with the Polaris Xpedition ADV 1000, then the Rough Country Roof Rack is the right move for you. You can get this and more for your Polaris Xpedition at roughcountry.com.